Hola, caballito. Hola, caballito. Hi everyone, how are you? Okay, today is excursion day with Doggies. They are in the back, and the day is a little bit rainy and cloudy and coldy, but we hope it's gonna be better because we are going to a waterfall, a beautiful one. We didn't go yet. It's gonna be our first time in this waterfall. Looks so great, so let's see how it goes. Ya llegamos. Here we are, Waterfall La Celestial. I don't know in English how it's, but let's see how amazing is it.
Let's start the mud part.
So we're just starting the trail and actually it's raining again. So let's see how it goes. But again, it's not a problem because the temperature is so warm, it's okay, it's not cold. It's not hot, but it's not cold. So it's great. Oui, señoras. I really think the day is going better about the weather. God. We are walking for a long time, crossing wood bridges, crossing rivers, and the entrance is just here. What? Yo me mojaré. There are many waterfalls in this place. We saw at least 8 of them, and in the trail that we are right now there are 2 options, 2 waterfalls. This is the one that we wanted to visit today, and there is another one, Las Gemelas. I understand there is 2 waterfalls together because the name. So let's see both them. So let's go. Whoa, shit. Gemelas means twins. Rebecca is having some problems. Whoa, me too. The landscape, the views here are just amazing. Have a look. I mean, amazing. You can see nothing, but it's amazing that the vibes that we have here right now. Love it. We are watching cows. We love cows. Buster loves cows. Vaquitas. Uy, otra vaquita. Este es mi reclamo para llamar la atención de las vacas. ¡Hola, señora vaca! This is awesome. Absolutely awesome. God. Me encantan estas puertecitas.
Bienvenido.
Gracias, nena. Muy buen servicio. Y las chicas, muy guapas. Si quieres, nos vamos un año. Absolutely awesome, amazing. We love this. This is the reason why we moved to Costa Rica, I think.
Yeah.
And best of all, you can go with the dogs on leash, and that's so great. Seriously, we can't explain how amazing is that. Just awesome. Okay, Buster doesn't care if it's private property. He just go, and that's all. Nothing to see here. Let's go. Come back. Wow. We just finished to visit the Las Gemelas Waterfalls. It was amazing. This is the way, and now we are again up here, and we have to go just there to the Catarata Celestial. So let's go. Las Gemelas was wonderful. There is two amazing waterfalls, and this is amazing. This is not only for the waterfalls because they are awesome, but the trails, the ways. Just look at that. Everything here is just crazy. My God, you have to visit Costa Rica if you didn't yet. This is awesome. Look at this. Look at this. My God. Wow. Esto es brutal. Just look at this wood bridge. Oh my God. Oh, otra salpicadura.
esto es brutal. Catarata la Celestial.
We love La Celestial Waterfall, and in this one there was nobody, which is always a plus. We ate in front of that awesome waterfall, but we preferred have a swim in Las Gemelas, because there were less currents and an easier access to the water. So we did again that amazing trail through that lush vegetation and crossing those magical bridges, and we say goodbye to that fantastic day with a good refreshing dip. The water is a little bit cold, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna try. Buster, you wanna try? Buster is so tired.